Dag julle in en nommers. Het is lekker koel hier op die Weskus. Vandag gesels ek met Andrei by Hyundai in Vredenburg en die nuus wat hy my gedeel het rondom Hyundai maak 'n mens se hart sommer warm. Soveel getrouheid, soveel diens. Meer kan 'n mens nie vra nie. Kom ons luister gou waaroor het ons twee gesels. Goeiemôre julle in en ongers. Ons kuier heerlik hierdie week in Vredenburg en ons is vandag by 'n motorhandelaar wat geen bekendstelling nodig het nie. Hyundai Vredenburg. Hulle sit hier op die pad soos jy uitgaan Velddrif toe. Jy kan dit nie mis nie en ek gesels vandag met Andrei Schrink. Hallo Andrei.
Hallo Nito, hoe gaan dit?
Goed, dankie en jy?
Goed, dankie self.
En nog steeds praat ek Afrikaans en hy praat baie mooi Afrikaans. En ons gaan so Engels en Afrikaans gesels vandag met julle. Vertel 'n bietjie van ons. Hoe kom jy nou hier by Hyundai? Die posisie oopgegaan, jy aansoek gedoen en hier sit jy nou.
Ja, hoe het gebeur het, ek is 'n Engels sprekende ou van Durban af. En ek het eers hier so 4 jaar gelede aangekom. En toe het die vorige eienaars my gebel en vir my gesê hulle soek iemand wat 'n corporate environment gemaklik is en weet om daarin te werk. En toe ek het die pos aanvaar en 2 jaar gelede was ek hier, het ek begin met 'n spanbou poging om die regte persoon hier te kry. En vandag is ons op pad om elke maand word ons sterker en sterker in die mark en ons het 'n baie goeie span wat hier kan werk.
Fantastic. Now Andrei, let's switch to English. Tell us about Hyundai. This is not a new name in South Africa.
No, Hyundai has been here over 20 years. They are now run by the HASA, which is Hyundai South Africa, which is a part of the Motors Group, and there's over 100 dealerships. And the dealerships are made up of Hyundai dealerships, Motors dealerships, and independents. We all work together as a single group operation and cover the whole of South Africa, all the provinces, all the major cities, and then all the outlying areas as well. So at the moment, Hyundai is in the top 4 as far as vehicle sales are concerned. And as I said, it's a long-standing brand. Globally, the brand is extremely active and growing every single year. And it's one of the first or major manufacturers that is a vertical operation. So Hyundai manufactures its own steel. They also a shipping company, so they make things like oil rigs, oil tankers. So that's a huge steel operation. And that quality of the steel is used not only in Hyundai, but other motor manufacturers purchase steel from Hyundai.
Okay.
So from making the steel and making our own engines, we make our own designs, and it's a complete vertical operation from steel to a motor car coming out at the end of the day. So yes, a huge operation.
Hyundai Vredenburg, it's not only a sales environment. You do what do you do everything here in Hyundai?
Yes, this is a fully serviced dealership. So we have new car sales that carry the whole range of Hyundai. For instance, you may have seen our new Santa Fe, which is on the floor.
Beautiful.
That's the first hybrid vehicle that we have in South Africa from Hyundai. We have used cars, which are Hyundai Promise cars. So they are pre-owned cars that are qualified by us and run through 125-point checks to make sure that the cars are ready to go out into the market as a pre-owned car. We have a fully fledged parts department that supplies the whole of the Weskus, panel shops, spares shops, all those sorts of little businesses that require our parts. And then we have a fully operational service department with 2 fully qualified, certified Hyundai technicians and RSMs, which are your apprentices that work alongside the technicians. So it's a full service operation.
Nou ja, daar het julle dit. As jy 'n Hyundai aanhanger is of nie is nie, kom maak 'n draai by Hyundai in Vredenburg. Jy sal nie teleurgestel word nie. Andre, baie dankie. Dit was lekker om so vinnig met jou te gesels en nou gaan ons 'n bietjie foto's neem en ons gaan vir hulle wys wat hier op jou display area of jou showroom aangaan.
Baie dankie, dit was 'n plesier.
Mooi loop.